Hi students, so let's start with a new topic which is mean and median, and perhaps this is the easiest chapter in the entire 9 syllabus. Why I'm saying so, you will just get to know once I'm through with this concept. So let's start by understanding the meaning of the word mean. What is the meaning of the word mean? Mean simply means average. I'm sure you have heard of this name, average. And what is average? You will understand better if I give you an example. Say there are two numbers, 10 and 20. If I ask you what is the average of these two numbers, how do you calculate? Add these two numbers, 10 and 20, and divide by 2. Why we divide by 2? Because there are only two numbers. These are two observation. Whatever you say, these are two items. So whatever are the total number of observation, we divide by that number. So what is that average? This is 30 upon 2, which is 15. Now, these observation can be anything. It can be age, it can be marks, it can be height, it can be weight, whatever it is, these are called observations. So what is the average of the two numbers 10 and 20? 15 is the average. Now this is also called mean. So now it's very simple. Add all the observation and divide by the number of observation. Whatever you get, that is called mean. It is as simple as that, right? I am sure you must have seen your report card. There are 7 subjects. You get 7 marks. Add those marks and you will divide by which number? You will divide by 7 because there are 7 subjects, 7 observations, right? It is as simple as this, nothing more. And to give you a better understanding, let's do this question. The question says that if the mean of observations x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, and x plus 8 is 11, find the value of x. So simple. It says the mean is already given 11. So let me write down these observation. I'm going to sum these observation. I'm going to add these observations. So x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8, right? How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to divide this by 5, right? I hope you understand this. We are going to divide by the number of observations, which in this case is 5. And whatever comes is the mean, which is given here as 11. I hope it was easy to understand. The mean is given 11. These are the observation. If I add them in the numerator, divide by the number of observation, that equates to mean, which is given as 11. Now, this is a very simple linear equation. I have to find the value of x. So let's solve this numerator. How many x are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this becomes 5x plus the number 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, and plus 8, 20. So 5x plus 20 upon 5 is equal to 11. Now there cannot be a simpler linear equation to solve. What do? We do a cross multiplication. So 5x plus 20 is equal to 55, right? So 5x is equal to 55 minus 20, which is 35. So x is equal to 35 upon 5, which is equal to 7. And this is the answer. I hope it was super easy to understand what exactly we did. Number of observations divided by the total number of observation equal to the mean. Let's do one more. Okay. So this question says that the mean of 100 observations is 40. Again, the mean is given, right? 100 observations. How many observations are there? 100 observations are there. It is found that an observation 53 was misread as 83. Find the correct mean. So now this is an interesting question. It says there were 100 observations, 100 such numbers, and the mean of those 100 such observations was 40. But unfortunately, instead of 53, there was a observation 53, somebody wrote 83. So definitely the mean will be wrong in calculation. So it's saying find the correct mean. All right. So at least what we know is that there are 100 observations. So sum of those 100 observation, right, divided by what number? 100. This is what given. The mean is given 40. I hope you can understand what I have just done. Sum of the 100 observation. This is how we calculate the average, or we calculate the mean. So sum of 100 observation, right, divided by the number of observation is the mean. 40 is given as the mean. So I have written 40, which means that sum of the 100 observation, sum of the 100 observation will be how much? If I do the cross multiplication, I get 40 into 100, which is 4,000. 40 into 100, which is 4,000. All right. Now, so sum of the 100 observation is 4,000. Now it says that instead of 53, somebody took 83, which means that to find the correct mean, I will have to reduce 83 from this, right? Because this was wrongly taken, and add back the correct one, which is 53, right? And divide by what? I should divide by the number of observation, which is 100, to get the new mean. So what will be this? 4,000 minus 30, right? Minus 83 plus 50. So this will be 3970 upon 100, which is 39.7. So the correct mean is not 40, but 39.7. Why it became 40? Because you added a bigger number. Instead of a smaller number, you added a bigger number. And that's the reason the mean became more. But when we corrected by reducing the wrong one and adding the correct one, and then dividing by the number of observation, I got the correct mean, which is 39.7. I hope I've been able to make you understand exactly how to solve the questions on mean. We will do median in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. See you in the next one.